Now that I have the position for the pickup located, I need to cut out the hole. And to do that, I'm going to use a hand tool called a coping saw. Coping saw is it's a frame that holds a little tiny blade under tension so that you can saw with it. But to get it inside here, I need to drill some holes so that I can get the blade into the space. Now I could use this hole, but then I'd have to come up on it, and I want to get closer to the edges. So I'm going to drill some holes to make room for the blade. Looking at this little crossbar here, which is what holds the blade in the frame, I'm going to need some 1/4 inch holes, but I'm not going to go straight to 1/4 inch. So we're going to start off with some smaller holes and work our way up. Okay, the holes are drilled so that I can get the saw blade through the pickguard. Let's get cutting. All right, and there we go. And there is the new hole in my pickguard. Needs some cleanup though. Okay, so this is the hole. You can see it's rough, but that's to be expected with the saw. So what I need to do is clean it up with some files. Get those edges a little straighter. Here's the follow-up. I got it done. Got this piece cut out. That was pretty easy. The coping saw did a fantastic job getting the piece out. But then I had to clean it up so that it would fit the pickup. And that took a long time. I mean, it fits. It fits perfectly. I'm very happy with the outcome, but it took a very long time to clean this up. I ended up using a rasp for the long straight bits, and then a lot of work with the half round needle file and the round needle file. A lot of work and a lot of patience. Would I do this again? If I had to. Would I want to do this again? No. But it is absolutely possible to cut a pickup hole in a pickguard with nothing but hand tools. So, there we are.